In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what new features Canva has brought in order to make a killer presentation for free for absolute beginners. So let's begin. This is the home screen of Canva. This is one place where you can get presentation, or else you can go to this create a design option, and here you can type presentation. You get my point. This is presentation, different presentation ratios are here, or you can also type presentation here in the search bar. You see there are different filters are available here. You can categorize a presentation as per the aspect ratio. You can choose any style if you're looking for. So today I'm going to take an example of education only. Now here one thing is, you see this crown icon with pro word here. These are basically paid templates, but there are ample of free templates which are available here. So today I'm going to take this free template for a conversation training class. 12 slides are here. When you click on any element, you need to double click on any element. See, these are already grouped. So if you want to modify it, you will first have to select it and go to ungroup this option. Okay, as soon as you ungroup it, you can individually select this. So if I want to change, then what I'll have to do is I'll have to just select this. Control A also works here, and here you will have to type your matter of the presentation. Just drag it, it will get shifted, and here if I don't want this, I can simply delete it. So this is how you can basically change any element. You see these things, if you don't want, or if you want to add something, you can delete all these. These are getting selected as on a single click. You can change it. Now suppose if I don't want these elements colors as it is, then as soon as I select the element, it will show me the colors used. So I can go and pick any color, and from this color palette I can go ahead and change these colors. So basically any customization you need is possible here. Now I'm going to show you another amazing thing. You see in the left bar, you have different other forms of presentations as well. Suppose I want a company presentation, yeah. So I'll just go to this see all option, and everything has opened on a blink. So I can change anything. Now if I suppose I don't want this to be my second slide, I want to add one slide in between, then I'll go to this tiny 3 dots. I'll click over here, and here I can do many things. I can add a page by clicking here. I can duplicate the same template if I want. I can delete this particular page. I can hide this page. I can add a transition in between two slides if I want. And these are the main few features which you can get from this tiny dots. I will go to add page, and it will help me to add another page. Now here I can simply take any other presentation type if I want. Suppose I want this to be here, so I can simply drag and drop it here. So it will come like this, right? So then I am free to modify anything. So not necessarily if you have chosen one particular theme, you'll have to stick to those set of slides only. You want to give some chart out here. As soon as you go to templates, and here the left hand side on the topmost option is templates, you go to templates and type chart. You have different types of charts available here, right? So if you take any one of these, there will be again several sets of such charts in front of you. You can choose any or all, whatever goes well with your project. So if I choose this one, and then if I select this, suppose I select this, and I want to edit any of these percentages, whatever is being shown here, then I can just go to this edit option, and here I can change anything. Basically I can change anything. Suppose this 16, if I don't want this 16% to be 16%, I can make it 26%, anything I feel like. And as soon as I do that, the ratio, the entire thing has changed. So this is how you can change anything here if you want. You can change here also anything you want. You can make any changes from here. You can change the font, you can change the size. You get my point. So basically anything you want you can change in this slide. There is no barrier to it, no end to it. So this is a cool feature which Canva provides, and these all are coming to you absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. Now next point, how to export a template. Now you go to share option here. You need to go here, and here you have different options. So you go to more and you type here PowerPoint. As soon as you give power, you will get PowerPoint's presentation here. So if you choose this, you can directly download these templates to your PowerPoint document. From there you can basically make any changes as you want, or you can keep it as it is and present it with PowerPoint. This is one way you can export your entire presentation by a click. You can choose, if you don't want all of them to be exported, you can uncheck this and you can just check on all those boxes for the slides which you want to be exported, and then you see you do done, right? So for the time being I'm keeping it all selected, right? And then simply download it. Now next option we have is we can directly present it, right? Now if I go to present option, there are three options here. One is standard. It will be at your own pace. When you'll be pressing enter, it will go to the next slide. You can make it on auto play proposition as well. You can have this presentation with presenter view, and you can present and record. So I'm going to show you all for now. Suppose I do it in standard mode. See what happens. When I'm presenting it, it is coming on my entire screen. It will just take a while. So the benefit is that you don't have to carry your laptop or your whatever is a device which you want to use for your presentation. So you basically don't need to carry it. You just get into this website canva.com, and you can simply access from their cloud this entire presentation, and you go ahead and give it. You don't have to take the hassle of taking a particular hardware along with you. That's the charm of Canva. Canva wants to make your life as simple and easy as possible as a graphic designer, or possibly any field you're working with. So this is how, and then you just press enter in order to go to the next slide. This is the standard mode we have seen. Now if I go to autoplay, it will have no control. You cannot change it, so it will take a certain time. Now what is the time? Each slide is having 5 seconds. You can see this small tiny timer button here. It will actually last for 5 seconds for each slide if you go for this autoplay presentation. If you want it to be longer, then you just need to press here and you can increase the number of seconds as you want. And if you want these to be implemented only for a particular slide, then you can just do it for this slide and it will be only implemented to this slide. And if you want it to be implemented for all your slides equally, then you just need to check this box and you're done. It is as simple as that, right? So this is how you can autoplay a presentation. Now the third option, again I will go to share and I will go to present option. Now comes the presenter view option. Now if I present it here, it will open in a new video. Now once it opens, it will give you the preview also, right? It will give you the preview also. What is the slide coming up next? So this is another thing. Again I am on the share button, and now if I go to presentation, I'm going to hit this fourth option which is present and record. If you do this, then what will happen? it will show you your face at the bottom of this screen, and like this you can see this one, like this it will be shown, and you can just go to recording studio in order to record your audio and video together while presenting. This is the most effective way if you are looking for to use such presentation in order to make a course, an online course, giving this sort of set of presentation to your audience or to your customers in a pre-recorded mode to more personify your presentation. This is the best way. Just need to press this button and the software will give you the options to switch on your camera and audio access, and you can straight away go and start recording it. After recording, you will get back to the same platform and you will get the download option. Here you will get this from the shared option. If you just want to download that, you will get this download option and you can choose any format. If you are doing the video, then it will come in MP4 format, or else usually it is in PDF standard format. Another feature which Canva has introduced recently, which I would like to include here, is this apply to all pages option whenever you are choosing one template. Previously the templates used to get selected by default, but here one new option Canva has incorporated, whether you want the same templates which are getting shown here to be applied in all pages. If I do it apply to all, then automatically these templates will be coming one after another as it is. Now you see under each such theme you get one template style option, which according to me is one of the unique features which Canva has recently introduced, where you see there are different colored themes out here. So if I keep selecting it, and this button, this particular option shows shuffling, meaning if I just keep on clicking it, you see these color patterns and theme is getting changed. And if I select this apply style to all pages, as soon as do that, it will get automatically applied to all the pages, no matter how many number of pages you have or your presentation contains. So this is a great feature. Basically you can change the color. See, as soon as I'm shuffling it, first this particular template which I am selecting and experimenting is showing me the result, and then if I go to this apply style, then it is getting applied to all the other pages. So this one I wanted to incorporate in this particular tutorial. So this is very simple process and easiest way to make an interactive and engaging presentation, and for the best part is it caters to any field whichever you belong to. So if you want to create different artistic designs or artwork, you can explore my Canva effects playlist, which again you will be getting in the description box as well as in the top right hand side corner of this video in the info I button. So having said that, thank you so very much, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And definitely if you are a new member to my channel, new visitor, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here with me. I will come back with some fun video and tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.